Good morning, good morning, good morning. SalonDivaV in the place to be. And we are going to be planting some bush beans and some peas. So yeah, let's get started. So y'all, I come outside and what's the first thing I see? Inga has fell down. What's wrong, Inga? My moringa tree, or one of them, has fell. I guess I gotta get her a bigger pot. She is top heavy. She is dragging that wagon. So let's pull her up. Let me put y'all down somewhere. Look at that. Do y'all see that? Right there. But why is he on that plant? Why? There's no food. That's just a regular plant. Why is he there? He about to be gone in a second. Bush peas out. Good job. I ain't gonna never find the peas. I need one of those clear the plastic organizing seed things that I see everybody with. Y'all send a sister one. Send y'all sister one so she can start being a little bit more organized and find her seeds quickly, y'all. Cause this right here ain't the business. I'm finding everything but the seeds I need. Okay, here's some, some peas. Here go the cow peas, and then we have this. I think this is the snap peas, and so where are? And I wanted to do some. Oh, here we go. Well, that's the bush beans. That's it. There we have it. All right. So let's get to planting. So we're gonna do some lima beans. Some garden beans, the Blue Lakes. These are the Cherokee wax. The cow peas, and we're gonna do the sugar snap peas. All right, let's get started. Let's get started in here. All right, y'all. So we're gonna start with the lima beans first. I love lima beans. I don't cook them that much, but I'm gonna start with these. These are the Henderson's baby lima beans, bush beans. So I'm just gonna go in and just plug in the holes on the very end. over here. And just plant them in. Put that right there so I can remember to label them. This is the Cherokee Wax Yellow. We only have 2 in here, so we'll do 1, 2. I'm gonna put it down that deep. Cherokee Wax Yellows. Do the sugar snap peas. And this is going to be just a bed with all peas and beans in it. These daggone birds. It's just disgusting. I done pushed them all down in there. Oh, I don't know if them gonna make it. Okay, well, let's try that again. Alright. So we're gonna put the sugar snap pea right there. The Blue Lake bean over on this end right here. Let's see how many I have in here. And it's my first time planting all these beans. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And in the middle, I'm gonna plant the cowpeas. I'm gonna do 10 of the cowpeas. Ah, jeez. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Don't try this at home, folks. Oh Lord. Okay, I did manage to get it. More. Right there. And then I think I'm just gonna, oh, that was the last 2 garden beans. Did I have how many? Let's see how many I have in here left. I only had 3 in here, so I'm gonna plant these 3 and finish them off. That is the Blue Lake garden beans. All right, so we're gonna get some labels and label them in, and then we're gonna water everything in. All right, y'all, have everything labeled in. This is my sugar snap, my Blue Lake, my cowpeas, some more Blue Lakes right here, the Cherokee wax, and the baby limers right there. So let's get everything covered up. All right, y'all, that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button. Share me with your family and your friends. Check me out on my other social media channels. And until I see you guys in the next video, you know what it is. Peace.